So I purchased this Wahl Colour Pro Cordless Combi kit to replace my Remington G5 G5000 beard trimmer, as it gave up the ghost at the weekend, and I was struggling to cut my hair. So let's see what's in the box. The price of this was cheaper than my beard trimmer alone before with the Remington. So for this, it says it comes with a hair trimmer and a beard trimmer as well, and it was £25 off Amazon, which is a lot less than what I paid before for the beard trimmer. Carry case. Okay, so this, I'm guessing, is the hair neck protector. Yeah, that can get to the side. So I've got the beard trimmer. No power, obviously needs some batteries in it. That's a surprise because I thought that would have been rechargeable. Cordless run time, that must mean just for hair clippers then. Okay, so standard beard trimmer. At this point that's not rechargeable, to be honest, but still it was only £25, so it'll do the job. Quite handy having the colour codes on there. I don't think I'll be using them because I just usually do grade 0. Comes charged. I believe it takes about 12 hours to recharge it to full. So we have a nice pair of scissors, standard comb, rechargeable lead, and we have some product guides, instructions, warranty. Does anybody fill those in, the warranties? Clipper lengths. I suppose really you're just going to find the colour that you want and you're going to stick with it. Let's move this to the side. Beard oil. Clipper oil, I should say. I need some more of that. That's a good job. I could do with giving us bigger bottles than this though, really. That tends to last about 12 months. But I'm sure you can buy some off Amazon, but I don't think I ever have. So, the yellow one says 16mm, number 5. We have the blue one, which is number 8, 25mm. We have the green one, which says number 7, 22mm. Purple, light purple, magenta, no, light purple, number 6, and it says it's a 19mm. And we have a blue, which is number 3, and it says 10mm. Dark purple, which says it's number 2, and it's a 6mm. Yeah, so this one I suppose we'll call violet. I like green, which says it's a number 1 or 2, 1.5mm. And a red one which says it's a number 1 and it's 3mm. Like a beigey brown orange, number 4, 13mm. And a deep pink colour, which is a number 1.5, which is 4.5mm. These are your for going round your ears. Does anyone use these? Unless you're a barber? I don't know. I don't think I've ever seen a barber use these either. So, there we have it. The Wahl clipper and trimmer combo. There's no, not that I use them anyway, but for the trimmer there's no guides to go on the actual beard trimmer, so there's no issue for me. But for you, if you use a trimmer and it's got guides on for fading your beard to your hairline, yeah, you're going to struggle with this one.